If I look good after this, that means I could do my makeup with no mirror in 7 minutes. Okay. Today's video is all about the tag doing your makeup without a mirror. This is going to be my version of it. If you want to see me do my makeup without a mirror, keep watching. So today I'm going to be filming doing my makeup without a mirror. So this is the proof. I have no mirror in front of me, and I only have the viewfinder open so I could see my shot. I'm going to go ahead and let's get started. So today I'm going to be filming doing my makeup without a mirror. So this is the proof. I have no mirror in front of me, and I only have the viewfinder open so I could see my shot. I'm going to go ahead and let's get started. So first things first is foundation. This is really weird because I've never done my makeup without a mirror. I'm not even sure where to look or anything. So this is weird. I have no monitors. First things first is going to be foundation. I'm not nervous about foundation without a mirror. I'm actually most nervous probably for concealer, maybe. It feels really weird because you would think I know my face, but I don't. And I also feel like it's going to be extremely unblended or uneven, I guess. Because without seeing what I'm doing, I have no idea. I saw this tag on YouTube and I was like, oh, that's like really interesting. Like, I should try that. So that's where I got the idea from. Leave a comment below if you think you'd be good at doing your makeup without a mirror. I mean, I don't know when you would ever need to do your makeup without a mirror. Like, I could see in the dark with a mirror, but I'm just extra doing this because I feel like it will make my foundation the evenest, even though I cannot see it. My backdrop is probably all messed up in this video. That's how you know I'm not really using anything to be able to see. Because if I was, I don't know, I just felt like probably something is off. Okay. So there's foundation. Obviously, I primed my face and I did my brows because that I just couldn't do without a mirror or seeing myself. So, yeah. Next is powder. Again, I'm really not nervous. I'm only going to get nervous probably when we get to concealer. I'm going to completely run this video so you know that it was ran with no stops. I don't remember what time I started the video, but it'll all work out. So it's 9:50. Not that this is timed, but just so you know that I'm not stopping and editing. And I feel like powder is easy because, oh, there is a mirror in there. Whatever. I didn't look at it. All right, concealer. So of course I know that it should be 2 triangles coming down, just without a mirror. I don't know where those triangles should be. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just hope we can blend it and make it look good. I mean, it feels right, I guess. I'm also pretty nervous about blush because I feel like blush, I'm normally super heavy-handed, so it's like without a mirror or seeing myself, what am I gonna look like? I don't know. I'm just trying to blend it in because I'm sure it's probably, I feel like there's more product on this eye. I don't know, it just feels that way. This is like now to set my under eyes, I have to stop saying but this is where we're at. I can't even be worried about fallout at this point because I have no idea. Again, I feel like the key is just to keep blending. I have no idea, but I think that would be probably key. So now the moment I've been dreading, blush. I feel like I'm gonna end up looking like a clown. Let's see what happens. Blush is really, I probably look so stupid in this video not looking at anything, but I feel like that's probably uneven. I'm even gonna try mascara and curling my lashes. I feel like I don't need a mirror to put on mascara. Probably do. If you watch we're not gonna edit that out. If you watch Shahs of Sunset, I know everybody is like amazed that MJ is able to do her lip liner and lipstick without looking. So that was also like one of the reasons why I was like, I wonder if people do their makeup without looking, or a mirror rather. So that was pretty cool. Probably should have just went easy on that highlighter, but highlight is pretty easy because I feel like I know exactly where my cheekbone is, the top of my cheekbone. I just don't know how much I'm putting on. Ooh. I'm just gonna go over everything with a little bit more powder, only because I just feel like I should. I don't know. Ooh, I didn't put highlighter down my nose. This is probably gonna be a bad idea because I'm not gonna be able to see. Okay. I'm gonna set this. I don't know why, but just felt like the right thing to do. I'm gonna put on lipstick before the mascara. Mascara is a wet product. I just sprayed myself with setting spray. It's gonna cause it to run. My grandmother used to put on lipstick without looking, now that I think about it. I feel like the key is less product because it's better to look undone than overdone. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna try my lashes. How long is this taking me? 7 minutes. If I look good after this, that means I could do my makeup with no mirror in 7 minutes. Okay. Mascara. I'm a little nervous. I don't want to overdo it with the mascara, but I don't want to underdo it. I like curling my eyelashes without a mirror is easy because you should just look straightforward. I'm going to record that nothing is in front of me while I'm doing this. Oh, that was technically cheating. I look a hot ass mess. I don't think that's cheating. Oops, didn't even get my lashes. Wait, was I even curling anything on the other side? There we go. All right. It's the moment of reveal time. I feel like I look all right. Okay. It's not as bad as I thought. I'm definitely missing foundation right here. So that I went a little too heavy with blush on this side. I'm a little impressed. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like if I didn't have a mirror and it was life or death, I feel like all I had to do was fix. I mean, it's definitely not my greatest work, but it's not that bad. I feel like my background is definitely off. I'm not in the middle. I don't know, but oh, my lips wasn't that bad. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had no idea I could do my makeup without a mirror. It was not that bad besides the fact that I was missing some foundation right above my eyebrows. I definitely could have used some bronzer too, probably. Leave a comment below if you liked this video. Let me know by leaving a thumbs up. Also, I'm trying not to mess up my words because I don't want to have to edit this really. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment below if you think you could do your makeup without a mirror. Tag me in your video. I thought this was a lot of fun. I mean, the concealer part, that came out better than I really had expected, to be honest. But Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.